An educational video by Patanjali Rishikul, Prayagraj. Class first, subject EVS, topic animals around us.
Good evening, children. Welcome to your EVS class. Today we are going to take the topic animals around us. There are varieties of animals around us. These animals can be broadly classified into various types like domestic animals, pet animals, wild animals, insects and birds. So let's study about them.
Different types of animals live around us. All of them have different eating habits and live in different types of homes. Some of these animals live with us in our homes while some live on farms. So let's see about them. Wild animals. Animals that live in the forest are called wild animals. These animals live on their own without any help from humans. A wild animal finds its own food, water, and shelter. We can see that some of these wild animals are also kept in the zoo. We cannot keep them with us as they may be dangerous. They roam around freely in the forest. Some good examples are tiger, bear, elephant, lion, and kangaroo. Domestic animals. We tame some animals for food or for our work. These are called domestic animals. Animals that live in our homes or on farms are domestic animals. Now, domestic animals that are kept on farms are called farm animals. Some domestic animals give us food and other useful things, like we get wool from sheep, we get milk from cow, we get meat from goat. We also get eggs and meat from hens. Horses and donkeys are used to carry heavy loads. You will be surprised to know that camels are known as the ship of the desert as they carry people and loads across the hot desert. Pet animals. We keep animals like dogs, cats, parrots, fish, and rabbits inside our house. These animals are called pet animals. Animals that share our home and provide us with love and companionship are called pet animals. Normally, a pet animal depends on us for food, shelter, and water. We should always take good care of our pet animals. We should treat them with love and kindness. Birds are beautiful creatures, different from plants and animals. We see different varieties of colorful birds around us. They have two legs that help them to hop, swim, and walk. They also have feathers and wings that help them to fly. Birds do not have teeth and they use their beak to eat their food. Most of the birds live on trees. They build their nest on trees to lay eggs and keep their young ones safe and warm. Most birds can fly in the air with the help of their wings, but some birds like penguin, ostrich, and emu cannot fly because of their heavy body. Birds can swim in the water. Such birds are known as aquatic birds. Some examples of these birds are duck, swan, and crane. These birds have webbed feet which help them to swim in the water. Do you know, children, that hummingbird is the smallest bird and that the largest egg belongs to ostrich? Insects. Insects are usually the small creatures that we see in our surroundings. They have 3 pairs of legs. Most of the insects have wings to fly, but some insects like ants and bedbugs do not have wings, so they cannot fly. Let us see some good examples of insects. Mosquitoes, honeybees, beetle, butterflies, houseflies, cockroaches, etc.
Children, I hope you have understood the topic well. Always remember that animals are God's special creation. Treat them with love and kindness. Thank you.